This is the POV.
What's happening, everybody? I hope everyone has had a good Christmas and a good New Year. My New Year started off as working on my 30, obviously. If anyone does have any idea of where to get one of these, that'd be much helpful, because I do not have a clue. I've been searching for it. I don't even know what they're called, just a headlight adjuster sort of thing. But yes, this is the situation of the 30. Obviously this adjuster goes here somewhere and it goes into this part here. But if you know anyone who has one of these or know where to find one, please let me know in the comments. Okay, so it's a very, very cold day. So I'm going to put the front end together. We're going to get the E30 out on this freezing cold day. Okay, so the front lip is on. I fucking hate that front lip, so I need some better suggestions, and I might just do an MTech 2 front bumper, to be fair. Right, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I just wanted to get the E30 out and actually have a proper good drive on it, because it feels like I've got the car and it's sitting there and I'm not driving it because of the weather. I've seen one good sunny day this week, so here we are. We are actually out in the decent weather. It is quite icy and I am on semi-slick, so I should survive today, hopefully. I want to put the POV camera on the Insta360 on the back of the E30 and get like some sort of like game footage, like POV sort of drive. Oh crap! There's ice everywhere. I cannot see a thing, like I'm blinded. There you go. Kind of. But first is a good drive, because the car needs it. Let's go. Right, we're at the usual spot. What I'm going to do is I'm going to mount the thing on the mount on here. Hopefully it gives you the POV look like this. So let's see if it works out. Hopefully it does. My wheels are surprisingly still clean. Let's go. There we go. That's what you do. You just mount it like that, and then boom. And then I'll show you the POV. I am definitely the only one driving the E30 out at this time of year though. 100%. I think the rest of them are like locked away in the garage and under a blanket with a hot water bottle. Fucking slippery. That's fucking so slippery. I best calm that one on this road. Jesus. beautiful car. That's what I'm saying. So basically what I'm telling you, this is the Insta360 X3, which obviously gives you the view that you've seen. So as you can see, I literally can see myself. I've got my hat on because of the this is the POV.